Hello children. Pause this video while you get your vocabulary journal ready. Go and get your vocabulary journal and open up to a new page and then pause. Okay, now that you have your vocabulary journal, I would like you to write these 3 words. These are our new words this week. Gnarled is the first word. G-N-A-R-L-E-D. Gnarled. Write that. And you can pause the video anytime you need to, if you need to pause it. The second word I want you to write is urged. U-R-G-E-D. In the middle, write urged. U-R-G-E-D. Urged. Our last word is amazing. I think most of you should know this word. A-M-A-Z-I-N-G. Amazing. Okay, here's what you need to know. Gnarled means twisted and knotted. Twisted and knotted. That's the definition for gnarled that I want you to write. Twisted and knotted. Remember, you can pause this if you need to write that. Gnarled means something is all like curled up around itself. It's all twisty, turny, and like a tree trunk has knots on it, like, or shoelaces could be gnarled. They could be all twisted together and knotted. If it's twisty and it has knots, then it's gnarled. And for your synonyms, I want you to write those same words. I want you to write twisted, and I want you to write knotted. And those are the words that are going to be on your vocabulary test. You need to know that gnarled means twisted and knotted. Like a tree trunk or a shoelace can be all twisted up and have knots in it, then it's gnarled. The opposite, the antonym of gnarled, would be maybe something that is straight, like a straight line, or untwisted. That's our prefix un. You can circle that. Un. I don't think I can underline it. Oh yeah, here I can. You can circle un. Straight and untwisted are the opposite of gnarled. The sentence that I want you to write for gnarled is, the tree trunk was gnarled. I want you to write that sentence. The tree trunk was gnarled. Hold on, I'm going to try to make that easier for you to read. The tree trunk was gnarled. Okay, there we go. And remember, you can pause the video if you need to pause the video. So gnarled is our first vocabulary word that you need to know. Gnarled. The second vocabulary word that you need to know is urged. Urged means that you are encouraging somebody. I want you to write that. To encourage. And remember, you can pause the video if you need. Urge means you encourage someone. You try to get somebody to do what you want them to do. Like you might urge your mom to let you stay up late, or urge your dad to let you play video games. The synonyms that you need to know are encouraged. You're encouraging someone if you're urging them. And also begged. Encourage and beg are a lot like urge. You're begging somebody, please let me do it. Please give me what I want. You are urging them. Please do what I want you to do. So the opposite of encouraging or begging, the antonym of urged, I would say is to tell somebody not to do what you want. So you could say, tell someone not to. And you can just leave it at that. Not to do it, not to say it. That's the opposite of trying to get them to do what you want. You tell them not to do it. And the sentence I want you to write, I want you to come up with one. I want you to say, I urged my teacher to, and then tell me something you really, really, really want me to let you do. Like, I urged my teacher to let me play games. Or I urged my teacher to give me an A. Something that you would beg me to let you do. I urged my teacher to give me extra recess. Something like that. Something you really, really want. And amazing. Amazing is something that is remarkable or astonishing. So for the definition, I want you to write something remarkable. R-E-M-A-R-K-A-B-L-E, remarkable. Something remarkable. And the synonyms you need to know are remarkable and astonishing. So amazing, I think you already know. These are actually the two words that you're learning this week. Even though your vocabulary word is amazing, I want you to learn that amazing means remarkable and it means astonishing. You're like, wow, that is really something to remember. That is something to look at. That is remarkable. That is astonishing. I am amazed. The opposite of something that is amazing or remarkable or astonishing would be boring. Boring. And the sentence that I want you to write is, this is an affirmation sentence. I want you to write, I am amazing. Because you are all amazing. And I want you to remember that. You are remarkable and astonishing. Right? I am amazing. Now, if this video is over and you're not finished writing, pause the video right now and you can keep it up on your screen and finish writing in your vocabulary journal. If you have extra time after you finish writing, you can go to your picture dictionary and draw a picture of each of these words. Gnarled, urged, and amazing. Thanks for watching.